Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing what matters. Back up any short clips you want to keep, because deletion is final. Open YouTube Studio and filter content for shorts so you see every short in one list. Once done, disable auto-upload and remove mobile upload permissions to stop new shorts. Make sure to check connected apps and scheduled posts. Those can reintroduce shorts automatically. This gets you from passive risk to active control. Now you can remove or change each short without surprises. Now, remove or convert the shorts you backed up. Select multiple items and choose Delete if you want them gone, or Edit to convert. Change the aspect ratio towards 16:9 and remove the hash shorts tag from titles and descriptions. Once done, reprocess the audio or add a short intro so the platform treats it as a regular video. Make sure thumbnails are appropriate, because that signals non-short content. This step ensures your existing content stops being categorized as short. Finish by locking down settings that cause shorts to appear. Update channel upload defaults, remove any short format templates, and review how YouTube classifies shorts so you avoid accidental re-uploads. Once done, monitor analytics and the content shorts filter for unexpected items. Act immediately if a short appears. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup or re-edit the video metadata and republish as a standard video. This final check closes loopholes and gives you a simple recovery path if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.